Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the ZY EDC Gundam Shield right here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this bad boy. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you are into toys, into knives. Let me know, guys. Check this out. This guy comes with a certificate of authenticity. There's 50 made. This is number 10. Material is steel, and the name is Shield. But let's call it the Gundam Shield because this is clearly inspired by Gundam cartoon TV series. Comes with an extra set of magnets, and here you get your toy. It's a slider. It is a pretty cool one, guys. Let's quickly check the measurements because at the thickest point this fella is going to be 1.1 inches, 2 inches for the height, and the thickness, let's say at this point right over here, is going to be 0.39 inches. So regular size, I would say a little bit longer than usual. Let's quickly check it out. I think the correct orientation, it's like that. Choclick from Black Mirror Design, of course, is going to be bigger. Here you get the One Studio bulletproof shield. Let me show you the CP3 from Mackie. And the CP2, of course, also from Mackie, because we're talking about slider here. Tom EDC Mahjong. It's a thick boy, but nice size for sure. Other slider I have here that I can show you, of course, like the Milkia from AC EDC is like a must. That's it, guys. Okay, yeah, this one, I don't know if I showed you already, but anyways, that is the One Studio Armor Shield Slider. This is the ZY Gundam Shield in stainless steel, which is a pretty cool one, I have to say. I love Gundam, I love this style, and it was instantly, you know, it was the red with the yellow cross. It was like an insta buy for me. I wish they make a Zircon. I couldn't find it. These are pretty rare to find. You see the number 10 engraved. So I mean, from the look perspective, if you're a Gundam fan, yeah, you gotta have this. And you see on the back you get some engraved, some milled out area, even like a Mercedes logo kind of thing upside down. Look at that. And so from the grip perspective, this is, yeah, it's all right. It works well on the back, a little bit on the slippery side because it's like stainless steel and polished on the front, but still no issues whatsoever. You can easily have it silent, or you can easily get it loud. So inside this fella is including 12 magnets which are attracting these two sides together and making this sound. So you have like of course, like you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states on each side. So you have 15 states possible for this toy, and you can also play like that. You can pivot on the corner like that, see, and have the toy just coming back to its original position. You can do both sides. You can be quiet, you can be obnoxious, you can be annoying, you can be nice to people. So that's gonna be up to you depending on your personality, but still the sound is pretty good. The look is it's pretty unique. I mean, this is Gundam Shield. If you are a fan of the cartoon, yeah, go for it. And the field department also is a nice check. It's a pretty cool one. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.